Imphal Tampakki tongan mapham kayadagi combined security forces na yamlaba khutlai kaya phagatpa ngamkhre ngasi babuparada leba police headquarter da pangthokiba pawgi mifam amada IGP range 2 oiriba IPS kabib ke na haikibada ngasi ayu anganbada Imphal East, Imphal West, Thobal, Kakching amadi Bisnupur district ke tongan mapham singda Manipur Police, Central Armed Police Forces amadi Army, Assam Rifles yauna chatakiba search operation amada tongan ba makhalgi khulai marfutaruk konana ammunition Chamapalga Ubudramari Fagat Pangamki Hairi Mana Maka Taraduna State Ashida Santi Hanjilaknaba Santi Hanjilaknaba Lingagna Tangliba Kongtang Sida Miamna Corporation PBU Amadi Karigumba illegal arms Kamari Lenaba Pau Ledavadi Manakna Police Station the Pau PBU Haiva Wafam Singshu Pondoki
9 numbers of grenades, 526 number of 7.62 live ammunitions, 226 numbers of 5.56 live ammunitions, 190 numbers of 303 live ammunitions, 7 numbers of 9mm pistol ammunitions, 4 number of .32 ammunitions, 6 number of high explosive mortar shells, and 2 number of tube launching ammunition, 4 number of IEDs. Altogether, total number of ammunitions recovered are 974 numbers. There are 41 numbers of assorted magazines also recovered and 6 number of various types of wireless handsets are also recovered. These continued intelligence-led operations represent a major accomplishment for the Manipur police and security forces in their continued mission to restore peace, uphold public order, and safeguard the lives and property of citizens. The Manipur police reaffirms its commitment to fostering a peaceful and secure Manipur.